This tenor saxophone stands out visually with its red antique copper finish, hand-carved detailing, and smooth shell-style key touches that feel refined under the fingers. The body is built from quality copper with a multi-layer lacquer that resists fading and wear, so the horn can handle regular practice and gigs without looking tired. Out of the box, the instrument speaks easily across the full range with a stable intonation and a warm, full tone that suits jazz, blues, and concert work alike. Key action is responsive and even, helped by upgraded springs and decent factory regulation, which makes fast passages and technical studies more comfortable to execute. The pads seal reliably, and the ergonomics are friendly for smaller and larger hands, so long rehearsals or school band sessions are manageable without excessive fatigue. The included hard case, mouthpiece, reeds, cleaning tools, and straps create a complete starter setup that lets a new player begin lessons or ensemble playing immediately.